Mkhulu umonakalo odaleke lapha abalimi balapha abebenethemba lokuthi isivuno sabo sizokuba sihle nonyaka baphazamisekile emoyeni. Abanye bathi amaphesenti angama-50 ezitshalo zabo acekeleke phansi. Umthelela uzohlala isikhathi eside.
The Department of Roads can help us please with pipes. We must come and fix all the roads because all the stuff is on the land and we must go and harvest it and bring it to the silos.
I cannot go to the land to spade the land, to make top dressing. There's no way I can go to the land. I'm appealing to my president, Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, to our minister, Tokudi Diza, come down and see the problem here.
So those farmers are stuck. There's a lot of wheat that is supposed to be harvested that the farmers cannot get off the lands. The later plantings of maize and soya and sunflower, they're taking a lot of strain with all the rain and the water logging. The earlier plantings of maize, where the maize is quite high, that can withstand a little bit of water logging a bit better.
Bafuna ukuthi lemvula ke ibaxolele njengoba befuna ukutshala ukolweni ukuze nombila ukwazi ukukhula kahle. Kulindeleke ukuthi liqhubeke nokuyikhema kulesi ifundazwe isonto lonke.